Hey guys, Anthony with the Rag Company, and if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering what comes in the Detail Factory wheel brush kit. So we're answering that and more in today's FAQ video. All right, so this is a fresh new product from Detail Factory, who makes some of the finest detailing brushes on the market, and they just came to market with this right here, their version of a barrel brush. Now, if you've ever cleaned wheels, then you know how important hitting the barrels can be, or how important not hitting the barrels can be, right? So you want to make sure that you're cleaning those, and that's where this thing comes into play. So we're going to be unbagging this and showing you everything that comes inside this kit. So the brush comes pre-packed, and you're going to have to break that seal. That feels nice. And then from there, we're going to pull out our brush. So what you're going to have here is the main wheel brush here. So this is going to be a socked brush that's going to have a whole assembly underneath here that I'm going to pull apart and show you guys here in just a minute. And then next in the bag is going to be their additional microfiber cover. Now what this is their scrubbing cover. It's pretty cool. I'll show you how this works in just a second here, but just wanted to show you the actual material that this is made of. It is more of a twist loop style weave here that feels a little rougher, but it's not rough on the surface. So it is a microfiber. It's not going to scratch or really harm the wheels, but it is going to give you some scrubbing power for those wheels that haven't been cleaned in a very long time. All right, so taking a deeper look into the brush here, we're going to start with the handle first. Now, Detail Factory started to rubberize all of their grips, which I think is pretty fancy, and they started with their ultra soft brush. So if you're picking up a new version of the ultra soft, you'll find that is a rubberized grip. Now, moving down from the grip itself, going into the actual head assembly, I'm going to show you how this works by unbuttoning this. This is a plastic button, and it helps keep the cover on. So unbuttoning the cover here, you're going to be able to pull this thing off. You're just going to give it a quick yank, and here we go. So this is what the actual paddle looks like that's going to go into the barrels and clean things. It is, in fact, extremely flexible, and it will work in more with time. Now, I don't recommend trying to snap this thing in half, but it will bend to be able to clean into deeper areas. Now, taking a look at the covers here, we have the ultra soft cover. This is going to be for your weekly washes or a couple times a month, really maintaining those already relatively clean barrels. Now, let's just say you've neglected those things, and it's been a while. It's been months. It's been years, and you need to get some scrubbing power behind you. That's where you're going to switch to this cover. So this cover, again, is going to be more of a twist loop material with some serious scrubbing power. So this is going to be able to do a deep clean on a lot of those barrels that have been neglected for time and time again. Now you might be wondering, how do you maintain these covers? Do you ever need to clean these covers? Well, yes, they are a microfiber, and they still can get contaminated, so you want to make sure you're staying up to date on the cleaning. I highly recommend removing these covers and washing them with like microfiber towels or like microfiber products. So for example, if you already have a towel that's dedicated for wheel cleaning, or maybe some dirty towels for dirty jobs, this is going to be the cover that you want to wash those with. And so throw those into your wash, use your favorite detergent such as Rags to Riches microfiber detergent from us here at the Rag Company, and give these things a deep clean. And then from there, you're going to put your cover back onto the paddle and get back to some serious wheel cleaning. So hopefully this has been helpful and informative on the Detail Factory wheel brush kit. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And as always, if you guys like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and stay tuned for more videos right here at the Rag Company FAQ channel.